Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite treatments, doing a pre-poo using aloe vera gel straight from the plant. So I picked up this aloe vera plant at the grocery store and I cut it up into small to medium sized pieces, and you can go ahead and prepare it any way you like. There's so many different ways, but I got this way from watching Natural 85. And so after I cut up the small pieces, I made sure to cut off the sides off because it's very, very sharp. And then you can either cut in the middle of the piece, or I just cut the bottom part off so that I can apply the plant directly onto my hair and scalp. So I first start off with lightly misting my hair with warm water. This allows my hair to slightly raise the cuticles and just allow for the distribution of the aloe vera plant to be much more easier. And this is what the piece looks like. It's a very gel-like substance. And if I want more of that gel to come out, all I do is poke it with my fingers and a lot more comes out, and I just apply that directly onto my hair and scalp. So I first start off by applying the plant directly onto my scalp, and aloe vera gel has many amazing benefits, especially for the scalp. It's very healing and it also restores your pH balance, and it just feels very soothing. And if you have a very itchy scalp, then this definitely is very relaxing and soothing. And so I go ahead and I make sure to really saturate that into my scalp, and then I go ahead and massage that in there. And then I go ahead and I section my hair into small to medium sections, and I'll go ahead and apply that to the rest of my hair strands. I absolutely love how easy it is to apply onto the hair, and it just makes my hair feel super soft and moisturized and very shiny as well. And I go ahead to also make sure to concentrate on the ends as well. And once I'm done with that section, I go ahead and make sure to put that into a loose twist and then move on to the next section. Aloe vera gel has both moisturizing and strengthening properties inside. It's definitely loaded with many vitamins and minerals, fatty acids, carbohydrates, and also proteins. And so for my low porosity and protein sensitive hair, I was always very reluctant to use aloe vera gel because I had, bad experiences in the past, but I finally was able to figure out how it benefits my hair and how to use it. And so what I find for my hair, the best way is to use it as a pre-poo, because then you can actually rinse it off, because if I leave it in my hair, it definitely makes my hair feel really hard and brittle. So the proteins that are found in aloe vera gel are 18 to 20 amino acids and also a protein called lectin. And so usually with my hair actually likes amino acids, but I can only use it in smaller quantities, and I can't leave it in my hair for too long, or else I will get protein overload and I will have, hard and stiff, brittle hair. And so what I do is I just make sure to not leave it in for my hair for too long. I usually don't leave it in for more than an hour, and I always make sure to rinse it off with shampoo and then follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. And also, because the aloe vera gel contains film-forming humectants, it is very great for sealing in the hair to protect your hair from the shampoo. But you also want to keep in mind, if you do have low porosity hair, you want to make sure that you do rinse off the aloe vera gel very well, because you don't want it to coat your hair too much to the point where you won't be able to absorb moisture when you're actually trying to moisturize your hair after you shampoo your hair. And so as you'll see towards the end of the video, I'm going to compare the results with half my hair with the aloe vera pre-poo and the other half without. And I definitely will have to say, out of all the pre-poos that I've tried, this one definitely will have to be my favorite. This is the one that actually works the best for my hair. It definitely protects my hair from stripping shampoos, and it gives it enough strength to withhold the manipulation from wash day, but it doesn't give me too much protein where it's gonna make my hair feel really hard. And it also provides a lot of moisture as well. And so I definitely prefer this over oil pre-poos. And if you guys have watched my older videos on oil pre-poos, you guys know that I absolutely do not like to do oil pre-poos. Especially for my low porosity hair. It's just very hard for me to wash out the oils with the shampoo, and then it's very hard for me to absorb moisture because of the sealant that the oil gives my hair, and so I find that this is the perfect pre-poo for my low porosity and protein sensitive hair. So after I was done that section, I went ahead and covered my hair with a plastic cap, and then on top of that I just put a bonnet on my hair, and this allowed my hair to absorb that aloe vera plant much more easily. And because the texture of the aloe vera gel was very thin and water-like consistency, I didn't feel the need to sit underneath the hooded hair dryer for additional heat because it definitely absorbs into the hair very easily. And I left it in my hair for about an hour before I took out the section. My hair felt very moisturized and it didn't feel hard at all, and I love the curl definition. My curls were popping like crazy and my hair just felt really nice and very healthy. And after I rinsed out my hair with my favorite shampoo, I went ahead and followed that up with a moisturizing deep conditioner, and I went ahead and styled my hair. And this is what my hair looked like after I styled it, and I wanted to share the results with you guys comparing both sides of my hair. So the side that I didn't do the aloe vera pre-poo, I noticed that the ends were definitely much more frizzier and my hair definitely felt much more dry. And I also noticed that with the aloe vera results, my hair definitely had much more curl definition. My hair felt softer. The only thing that I didn't really like with the aloe vera pre-poo is that there was slight coating on my hair after rinsing out the aloe vera pre-poo, but it was very minimal, so it wasn't too bad. But I definitely noticed that it definitely protected my hair from the shampoo and the manipulation, and I definitely will incorporate this into my hair at least, twice a month. Please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on aloe vera gel and a pre-poo and how you've used it in your hair regimen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.